If you want to see all your bills in one clean calendar view and feel completely on top of your finances, this Excel tracker does it all for you automatically. Today, I'm walking you through my advanced bill payment tracker with calendar view. It builds on the free version with even more features to help you stay organized and in control. Here's the full tracker. You've got a clean bill log, an auto-filled monthly calendar, automatic totals, built-in formatting for due and overdue bills, and a summary bar that updates everything for you. Start by entering each bill on the Bill Log tab. Make sure to include the bill name, due date, and amount due. Then check the box when it's paid. As soon as your bills are logged, the monthly calendar fills in automatically, so you can see exactly what's due and when. It's perfect for printing or checking your upcoming schedule. You can also select any month and year from the dropdown to look ahead or review past bills. Just be sure to update these to stay on top of your current schedule. As you mark bills paid, everything updates. Your monthly total paid, when your next bill is due, how much is still overdue, and overdue bills show up bold red. Use the status toggle to switch views. See all your bills, just the ones you've paid, or the ones still unpaid, with overdue bills highlighted clearly. Once it's filled out, you have a complete, organized view of your bills. Paid bills show up using the status toggle. Today's date is highlighted in blue. Overdue bills appear in bold red. It's an all-in-one way to visually track every bill, every month, with clarity and control. If you want to use this exact tracker, it's available now in my Etsy shop linked below. Or you can grab the free version on Ko-Fi if you're just getting started. It's a great way to test your bills out and then upgrade when you're ready for more features. Want to pair this with a budget? Watch my monthly Excel budget video next. Or if you're paying off debt, check out the Snowball Debt Tracker video and start knocking those balances out.